everyone. So today we're going to be using the last little bit of the cream and sugar from Doodlebug. I'm using these last two big sheets and some scraps that I have. And I'm just going to trim everything down to fit an A2 size card. So for my base paper, I'm cutting it down to 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And I'm going to do that with both of my base pages. And then on the front, it calls for 4 1/2-inch strips. I will tell you this, the longer your strip is, the better. I had some that were cut to the 4 1/4 length or 4 1/8 length, and I had to change some of the settings around so that way I would have enough paper on the front of the card, putting the fun prints on top of it. And see, I was thinking I could use this one and maybe piece on one, little part at the bottom. But in the end, I decided it was probably best to just cut that and go ahead and just get a new piece, which is what I'm doing. Basically over here is looking for the paper to go with this particular. Okay, so what we're going to do here is once I finally get this one down, I'm going to play a little bit of music, and we're going to do the same thing with our second page. And I'm just going to show you real quick trimming the back, and then we'll do the same, like I said, with our second page. And I'm going to let the music continue while we do the sentiments and get everything put together as well. And I'll check back in with you at the end. Alright, now we're going to finish up the cards using sequins. Normally I use the Nuvo drops, or I have been, but this time I just wanted to shake things up a little bit and use some of my sequins. And I just found ones that I thought, went best with the color choices and either gave a little bit of a pop or, interest to the front of the card. I'm just attaching these using my tweezers and some multi-medium mat from Ranger, which secure the sequins on really well. And the same thing I'm doing here, I'm going to do on our second card. And I just try to make sure that I put down even numbers so that way it's more pleasing for your eye. So once again, I just want to say thank you guys for joining me today. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and share button. And at the very end, I will make sure to have links to 2 previous Friday sketch videos. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And I'll look forward to seeing you guys with our next video.